Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello, welcome to 10th class mathematics video 11 trigonometry. In the previous class we completed up to 6th sum. Now we are going to do 7th sum in page number 292. Page number 292. Exercise 7.4, 7th sum. Sin A plus cosec A whole square cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Tan square A plus cot square A. We have to show that. So what is the sum? Here we have to show that this LHS is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. We all know first we start with LHS. So LHS, if you simplify automatically, if you get RHS, the sum is already complete. Now LHS. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now see, here we want tan and cot. So better to convert all in same ratio. For example, sin A plus 1 by sin A whole square plus cos A plus 1 by cos A whole square. Otherwise, we can go for another easy method, that is A plus B whole square. Now sin square A plus 1 by sin square A plus 2 sin A cos 2AB. See, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Same way here also. Cos square A plus 1 by cos square A plus 2 cos A into 1 by cos A. Here these two will get cancelled. See, otherwise as it is also we can keep. So sin square A plus cos square A. Now 1 by sin A, I will keep it here. Cosec A only. Cosec square A plus cot square A plus 2. Now sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 plus, here already we have 2, so 2 plus 2. Now cosec square A I write as 1 plus cot square A. Cosec square A plus sec square A. There is equal to 1 plus tan square A plus 4. Now total if we add 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Tan square A plus cot square A. Actually here you no need to write like this. Directly A plus B whole square formula also you can apply. If you do like that also it will be easy to cancel, because anyway cosec A means 1 by cos A. So once again children, A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. These are the A square plus B square plus 2AB. We cancel. After that sin square A plus cos square A, we know that it is identity, and 1 by sin square A is cosec square A. That I am writing as 1 plus cot square A. This is also an identity. 1 by cos square A I wrote as sec square A. That I am writing as 1 plus tan square A. Here already 2 plus 2 4. So total is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That is called RHS. So the sum is proved. So basing on the identities, we solved this sum. Now we will go to 9th If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P, then what is the value of, then the value of sec theta minus tan theta. Ready? Now we have an identity. What is it? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We know that we have the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now we know that given sec theta plus tan theta is equal to how much? P. So P into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. I want this one. So I will take into no. So into P, if you go this side, by P. Therefore, sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. So it's reciprocal. So sec theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Then what is the sec theta minus tan theta? It's this 1 by P. Now basing on this, we have 10th sum. Last but not least, it's a very important sum. It needs explanation. So now we go to 10th sum. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So that's what we have to prove. So what do we have, children? Given cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k, and this we have to prove. For that we will follow one procedure. So same like identity we have. So we have cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Then cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. Same way this value substitute k into cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. So cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to k1. Okay. So first one, this is equation 2, and given already have cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Now this is equation 1. If you add these two, what do we have? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. If you add, what happens? Cot cancel. 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. Now if you simplify, cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k. 2 cosec theta. Now LCM k. K into k square plus 1. So 2 cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. I want cosec theta. Then what happens? Into 2 you bring this side, 2 denominator. So this is the value of cosec theta. What is the reciprocal of cosec theta? Sin theta. So why? Because finally I want cos theta. So I want to apply in identity or right angle triangle it gives. Therefore sin theta is equal to reciprocal 2k by k square plus 1. But sum is not completed. So we have to find cos theta. For that purpose I am applying another identity. I am applying another identity. Use the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now we substitute sin theta 2k by k square plus 1 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I want cos square theta 1 minus this full term will be take to RHS. So now I want to conclude this. So cos square theta simplification. Cos square theta is equal to LCM is k square plus 1 whole square and this you multiply k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square, and we have the formula a plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to a minus b whole square. We have this algebraic identity. According to this can be written as cos square theta is equal to this is a and this is b. If you multiply here, what will come? Then k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. Now both sides we remove the square. Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. That's what we have to prove. So finally we proved this. So this is a very different procedure. First of all, I have to go to the identity cos square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. From that, we have to find cosec theta. After that, if you find the reciprocal, you will get sin theta. That we apply in this identity, but because we want cos theta like this, we have to analyze the sum. What is given, what we have to find. Then slowly, if you do everything carefully and some little apply the algebraic formula, we will get the answer. So this is the end of the chapter. And you prepare for ST. In the next class we conduct ST and you prepare for ST. That is today's homework.